One of 10 is a tool used by well-known YouTubers, such as Max Fosh, Colin and Samir, and many others. Now, you are here because you want to know if you should get One of 10. In this video, I will go over everything you need to know about it and if I recommend buying it. One of 10 helps YouTubers in a few different ways. One way is to help you find the outliers on YouTube, or in other words, find the videos that stand out and outperform every other video on the platform. They do this by getting the average view per video on a channel and compare it to the amount of views the video got, and that is how they get their multiplier. So for example, this video right here got 1.2 million views, but the average views on the channel is only 99,000. So that gives this video a multiplier of 12.1x or 12.1 times, which makes this video working in the Vision Pro an outlier because it outperformed the average video on his channel. This is how One of 10 helps creators find inspiration and ideas for their own videos. This tool helps you find viral videos or ideas, topics, and niches that are already performing well. There's also plenty more features as well. Firstly, there is a search bar, which allows you to search for videos. Right next to it is the filter section, which you can filter by the amount of views, the multiplier, the subscriber count, the views to subscriber ratio, and a few other options. This helps you get more specific results and more specific videos. You can also bookmark videos by hovering over the video and clicking bookmark. You can also put these into different folders, which you can access at any time. You can also find similar videos. To find a similar video, just hover over the video and click Find Similars, and it will help you find similar videos and topics. You can also track a channel or competitor. To do this, just hover over any video and click Track. And you can come over to the tracker section and track them through there. And you can even download a Chrome extension, which allows you to look at how the video is performing directly on YouTube. There is plenty more features that you can find inside, but the question is, should you buy it and do I recommend it? If you're looking to get more views, get viral videos, and create better videos, then I think this tool is a must-have. I highly recommend this tool, and I believe that it can boost your growth of your YouTube channel, increase the views of your videos, and help you learn a lot in the process. I have it linked down in the description if you are interested in getting it. If you have learned something or found value in this video, then let me know by subscribing and liking the video. Thanks for watching.